Unraveling the mystery of perspective, understanding point of view in fiction. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into an essential aspect of reading fiction, understanding the point of view. It's a crucial tool that authors use to shape their stories, and it can greatly affect your reading experience. So, let's start exploring. The point of view in fiction refers to who is telling the story. It's like the lens through which we see the events unfold. It can dramatically influence our understanding of the characters and plot. There are generally three main types of point of view: first person, second person, and third person. Each offers a unique perspective and tells the story in a distinct way. Let's take a closer look at each. In the first-person point of view, the story is told directly from the perspective of a character in the story, often the protagonist. This character uses I or we when telling the story. This viewpoint gives readers a deep, personal insight into this character's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Example: I walked down the dark, narrow street, my heart pounding in my chest. Second-person point of view is less common in fiction. In this perspective, the author speaks directly to the reader, using you. It can create a highly interactive and immersive experience for the reader, as if they're part of the story. Example: you walk down the dark, narrow street, your heart pounding in your chest. Finally, the third-person point of view tells the story from an outsider's perspective, using he, she, it, or they. This can be broken down into two types: third-person limited, where the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of one character, and third-person omniscient, where the narrator knows everything about all characters. Example: he walked down the dark, narrow street, his heart pounding in his chest. Understanding the point of view is crucial because it shapes how we perceive and interpret the story. It can affect how close we feel to the characters, what information we're given, and how we experience the plot. So next time you read a piece of fiction, try to identify the point of view. It might give you new insight into the story. That wraps up our exploration of point of view in fiction. Now, you can see how this powerful tool shapes the narrative and our understanding of it. Remember to pay attention to the point of view the next time you dive into a good book. Happy reading, and until next time.